In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily insert a timer in Google Slides and even customize it to fit your presentation style. Whether you're running a quiz, a workshop, or just want to keep your slides on track, adding a timer can make your presentation more engaging and professional. First, we need to install a timer add-on. In your Google Slides presentation, click on Extensions in the top menu, then select Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace, search for Slides Timer or Countdown Timer and install the one you like. After installing, refresh your Google Slides tab to make sure the add-on is fully recognized. Once installed, open the Timer panel by going to Extensions, then selecting your timer add-on and choosing Open Timer Panel. Here, you can customize your timer to suit your presentation. Set the countdown duration, pick the font style, choose colors, and adjust the size until it looks just right. When everything is set, simply click the button to insert the timer into your slide. And just like that, your countdown timer is ready to go, keeping your audience engaged and helping you manage your time perfectly. Adding a timer is that simple, and it can really transform the way you present. Try it out in your next Google Slides presentation and see the difference it makes.